What is up, guys? It's been a while. It's been almost a month, or maybe it has been a month, honestly. I said that I was just kind of stop with videos because the market was slowing down. Honestly, it was just a waste. Um, and to be honest, I really haven't liked a lot of stuff recently. I mean, we've been banking really hard the last month, but I said I really want to try to limit these videos to tickers that I actually really like, that I think, have good R&R for everybody. And I gotta tell you, I've been really busy. I mean, I've been going through like this. I'm on FinViz right now, and this is sorted lowest to highest. And I've been going through every single one of these stocks one by one, looking for something that is just that is just good. I mean, and so much of them, so many of them are bad. We'll get into that in a second. So, make a long story short, the ticker we're talking about is MASK, M-A-S-K. So, we're in an interesting spot right now. The market, since last week, has been heating up big time. CJET ran huge, ADAP ran huge, pennies have been running hot. There's been a lot of big volume, which is what we've been waiting for. CJET had almost a 2 billion volume day. ADAP had a massive volume day. This is what we've been waiting for. So there's kind of been two themes in the market right now. One is really China pennies, and two has been crypto treasuries. There's been tons of treasuries that happen ever since Octo did that huge treasury. Treasuries have just not died out. I mean, I can't even list off how many runners there have been that have PR'd something with crypto. And interesting enough about MASK is it literally fits everything perfect. I mean, there's nothing else for me to say. So MASK is a 4 mil float. And MASK is, if you look through, they have no notes except for this one that's at 370. They have like this 2025 convertible note that I will talk to you about in a second. But they're not really diluting at all. So MASK is interesting. So MASK has come down. MASK was like a $4 stock. It's come down to now it's at 60 cents. And it fits perfect. It's literally a Bitcoin stock, right? You have even here they talking about how they're using. So they did an offering in June, right? It's like a private placement offering of 7 million. And they said that they're using this money to buy Bitcoin. I mean, I don't know how much more of a thing that you can get to that. It literally says the company intends to use part of these proceeds to purchase Bitcoin right here, right? So this is something that fits big. This was from a PR in the end of July. They PR'd again last month, talking about the CEO did an interview talking about like the future of cryptocurrency. They did another PR a couple of weeks ago talking about stable coins. I mean, they're just PRing everything that fits the theme exactly. I think a lot of this kind of went under the radar, if you notice, because these PRs were back here and it was, the price was like over 100% higher. So I think it kind of just got lost in the radar. But this is a crypto penny, guys. I mean, this is a crypto penny. It's at bottom. The only dilution that they have is this note that they did, which they said they're using to raise money, basically to buy Bitcoin, which they're all running. Like even Relly did the same thing. Relly bought 10 Bitcoin. I think was how much they bought. They literally said they're buying like 10 Bitcoin or something. I mean, like all these crypto plays are running, guys. I mean, this one, it fits the bill perfect. I'm going to honestly keep this short and sweet because I don't want to go through too much about it, but I'm going to bring up the chart really quick. So this is the chart. I mean, I don't know how you get much of a better setup than this. I mean, I really don't know how you get much of a better setup. It's basically at all-time lows, right? I mean, it's been a runner in the past. You see it's ran to $1.30 here. It's ran to $1.10 here. I mean, it's setting up again. You have like 75-ish area right here. 76 is a resistance. Even like maybe 80 cents of resistance. But there's really not much. This game can easily, I think, do $1 again. Even if it doesn't run today, it's a good play that can run. I talked about in the Discord, I talked about iPower, right? IPW. I put this out in the Discord. We're in Moon Market Discord. I put that out. You could see here, back on the 16th, it actually ran to 85 off the initial alert, but I said that this is a play, that this is a Bitcoin penny. I gave the whole reasons why they wouldn't be able to, why this can run now, because they're not able to dilute. They're not selling anything. It's at bottom, and then today IPW actually had a massive move, and it went to $1.15. So, I mean, guys, I know everyone wants instant gratification. That's not how it works all the time. Sometimes they take a few days to set up. Sometimes it's a week. I can't control, the action of the price of the stock. This is not financial advice. Obviously, you guys need to make your own decisions of when you buy and when you sell. I'm just putting out ideas of what I think could work. And from somebody that has literally gone through every single stock under $1, there's really not much. I mean, the problem now is that most of these stocks have big dilution, or they have reverse splits approved. A lot of these penny runners that have happened over the last week all have reverse splits approved. Again, it's not something you can't make money on. I just don't really like doing videos on things like that because, people, if they work full-time jobs and they're trading on the side, a reverse split could, look at NXTT. A reverse split could happen any time, and then it's an instant 50% loss. So I trade them. I tend to usually trade them more privately because I just don't want people to get screwed. But, Mask, the only negative about Mask is it's a British Virgin Island stock, which you could see, over here, it's a British Virgin Island. I should say it right here, British Virgin Islands. So technically, just a fun fact, British Virgin Island stocks can do a reverse split without voting. So could they do a reverse split without voting? Yeah, they could. I don't see why they would. They just IPO'd at the beginning of the year, so I don't think that they really are in the position to need to. They had a nice 13G filed at the end of July. That was right before they talked about, which was actually probably a purchase of this offering. That was a nice 13G that was filed here for 10% of 1.3 million shares. But it's more important, like for me, the biggest things when I put stuff out is, because all of these stocks suck, right? These are not long-term holds. You're not holding this for 2 months or 6 months or a year or 3 years. So for me, the biggest thing is, is it in a spot where I could put it out to where like everyone could get a decent entry and have good upside? And to me, I just don't see how you get a better setup than this. It's literally, its all-time lows is basically like 55, 56 cents. It's at 63 right now. It's kind of just, it's finally found bottom, right? We've seen this setup before. We've talked about this before. It comes down, it comes down, it comes down. It hits bottom. It kind of just sits in this channel. And it's just waiting for volume to push it up. You can see it's trading on super low volume, 179,000 shares, 160,000 shares, 200K shares, 200K shares. Very, very low volume, right? Even the times it moved, it only got 6 million volume, and that moved it to over $1.20. So, it moves thin. Obviously, you have that note, so technically, could they be selling up there? It's possible. But listen, guys, all these stocks, they're never going to be picture perfect. We're just picking the best of the shittiest ones. And this one is a pretty good setup. I just don't see how you get much better than this. These crypto stocks are running. If they do a PR that they're using this to buy Bitcoin, right? They just PR'd 2 months ago. They intends to use part of the proceeds to purchase Bitcoin. Well, Rally just ran today because they purchased Bitcoin. It ran to almost $2. So if they do a PR today talking about, or not today, but if they do a PR talking that they bought Bitcoin, even if it's 5 Bitcoin or 10 Bitcoin, or whatever the case is, the market's going to run it. Algos are on, guys. I think Mask is a good setup. I'm in it down here. I went through hundreds and hundreds of tickers. And I just don't see many that are this good of a setup with this low of a float, and it's China, and it's at bottom, and it fits the theme. It basically checks every box for me. So, Mask, keep it on your radar. Again, this is not financial advice. You guys need to have your own plan, right? If the stock is running to 80 cents, don't be afraid to not buy it and maybe wait for it to pull back. Again, I am not in control of what the stock does. I'm just putting my opinions out there. It's not financial advice, again. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not telling you when to sell or anything like that. I'm just kind of telling you, what I like and what I'm doing. And I like Mask, and I bought Mask, and I like it. I think that it's definitely well worth the try in the market of crypto treasuries and crypto plays. I mean, it fits perfect. So keep it on your radar. I really like it a lot, and I miss you guys. The market's getting good. Hopefully, we're not going to be doing videos every day or anything like that. It's really going to be like when I find one that I really like. Hopefully, we find more soon. But if you guys really like these, we'll continue to do them. But I like this one. I think it fits the theme perfect. I wanted to put it out there while the theme's hot. But I miss you guys. We're in Moon Market Discord. We're on Twitter. We're active. We're making money. So if you guys aren't, make sure to follow me here, right here over at Pulse Portfolio over on Twitter. And make sure you follow me and subscribe on YouTube. All right, guys. I love you. Take care. Later.